Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will discuss the term epigram. Introduction. The epigram is characterized by its brevity and wit, making it a powerful tool for succinctly conveying ideas, observations, and humor. Originally, the term epigram referred to Martial's verse compositions, which displayed his mastery of satire and humor. However, over time, the definition expanded to include any terse and pointed statement, whether in poetry or prose, on various subjects ranging from amatory to elegiac themes to compliments, anecdotes, and satire. The epigram in English literature. In English literature, the epigram experienced a flourishing period in the late 16th and 17th centuries, with notable poets like John Donne, Ben Jonson, and Robert Herrick actively contributing to the form's popularity. The 18th century, famously described by Austin Dobson as the age of wit, of polish, and of Pope, witnessed the heyday of the epigram. Esteemed writers like Matthew Prior, Alexander Pope, and Lady Mary Wortley Montagu excelled in creating clever and detachable couplets that exemplified the essence of the epigram. Epigrammatic examples through time. Throughout literary history, renowned poets in various countries produced exceptional epigrams. In France, Boileau and Voltaire demonstrated their powers in this form, while in Germany, Lessing, Goethe, and Schiller made significant contributions. American poets including R.W. Emerson and Emily Dickinson also contributed to the genre. Even during the Romantic period, wit and humor coexisted with deep emotion, as seen in Samuel Taylor Coleridge's epigram. The prose epigram and the aphorism. Beyond the confines of verse, the term epigram extended to include witty and concise statements in prose. These epigrams were often referred to as apothegms, distinguished from the aphorism, which conveys serious maxims and general truths. The prose epigram emphasizes wit and humor. A famous example of an aphorism is Ars longa vita brevis est, attributed to Hippocrates, signifying the longevity of art against the brevity of life. Continuation and modern contributions. In the present century, the epigram remains a popular and dynamic literary form. Notable poets like Robert Frost, Ezra Pound, Ogden Nash, Phyllis McGinley, Dorothy Parker, A.R. Emmons, Richard Wilbur, and John Hollander continue to explore and utilize its potential for brevity, wit, and insight. Conclusion. The evolution of the epigram from its origins with Martial to its modern manifestation showcases its enduring appeal and adaptability in various literary traditions. With its concise and pointed nature, the epigram continues to find a place in the creative expressions of poets and writers across cultures and time periods. So this was the discussion on the term epigram. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask in the comments section. We will meet in the next video with some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.